This is the Sportneer bicycle trainer stand, which enables you to use your own ordinary road bike indoors during times when it's not possible to use it outdoors for any reason, or for indoor training. What strikes me first of all is how easy it is to fit, particularly if you've got quick release levers on your wheels. It's simply a case of removing your existing axle and replacing it with the new one, which is provided with the trainer from the bike, and this is the one from the Sportneer trainer stand. Just slot it through the bike, keeping the lever on the usual side opposite the gears, then insert it into the frame, making sure it engages in each of the lugs here on the left and here on the right, and what happens is it clamps down using this lever to secure it in place. So very easy, and it's also very secure as well. It's obviously vitally important that the bike wheel touches the resistor wheel at the back, which you can check just by rotating it manually. And the resistance is adjusted via this cable here, which attaches to the adjustment lever on the handlebars. Again, very easy to fit. It's simply a case of unscrew to loosen it, then click it down into place. And you can adjust the resistance from 1, which is the lowest, all the way up to number 6. Again, it took just about 4 minutes to assemble the stand, pop the wheel in, swapping the axle bolts over, and then to quickly clip this to the wheel. Now sitting on the bike, I can test the resistance. 1, 2, 3, 4, becoming a bit tougher now, 5 and 6. So I can certainly feel the difference there. Now the noise level, it's a bit of a low rumble really. I'm not going fast, I'm on lino, on a suspended floor. So this really is the worst scenario for testing the noise, and this really would be at its highest level. Stability is good at the front too. It's got this good wheel pad here, which holds the wheels securely and also protects carpets or flooring. Quick and easy to take apart again. Just flick it back. That's the resistance lever off the handlebars. Reduce the tension here, then undo the quick release here, and the bike will be released, ready to lift out. Then just swap the axle bolt over again. So overall thoughts. I think this is very well made, it's very strong, it's very sturdy, there's absolutely no wobble when I'm using it, and I was particularly impressed by just how quickly it was to put it all together. I've never assembled one before, and I had it up and running in about just 4, maybe 5 minutes. Then finally it folds flat for storage. That's all the space it takes for storing, plus the wheel pad as well. And now the bike's no longer on it, you can see the non-slip pads underneath as well. So that's it, the Sportneer bike training stand.